Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. I recently had to look for a sympathy card, which is never a happy occasion, but I'm really pleased with this sympathy card and I just wanted to show you why. I appreciate, of course, what it says. I also like the fact that it's blank on the inside and it's large, so it gives me a lot of space. I was pleasantly surprised with how incredibly thick and sturdy the card is, as well as the envelope. And you have the option to either simply close it and hand it to someone, or of course you can seal it and mail it. It's so sturdy that it even came with this rather witty bag that it was in, so you're certain it's going to arrive to you without being bent or frayed on the edges, and it's also going to arrive through the mail system to that loved one that you want to send the card to. So although it's a sad occasion, I'm really happy with how sturdy this card is, what it says, and how I'm certain that when I send it, it's going to arrive safely and bring my friend comfort. And that is my point of view.